This next pass will show off the lines of the CF-18. Occasionally, a fighter is required to maneuver very slowly to gain the advantage over an adversary. Brian will now set the CF-18 close to its minimum speed by using the power from the engines to help sustain lift. The CF-18 will fly past at a mere 100 miles per hour during this, the high.
Hah?
Hold on, right in front of the flag.
Pagrabar?
I gotta tell you, if that goes any slower, Bruce, it's gonna come down like a bag of hammers. That's the miracle of power.
And indeed it is. Whoa, man, does that look good. Ladies and gentlemen, how do you like the CF-18?
I like it!
Now, as the CF-18 repositions, the landing gear, arrestor hook, and refueling probe will be extended. This next pass will demonstrate the awesome capability of the Hornet, even while flying in a landing configuration.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse,
boy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing.
Watch as Captain Buse rolls the aircraft upside down for the dirty inverted pass. Maintaining a
You gotta love the vapors we're seeing on that one. That moisture literally being squeezed into a visible cloud as that approaches the speed of sound. Careful, of course, not to exceed Mach 1. You gotta love the vapors we're seeing on that one. That moisture literally being squeezed into a visible cloud as that approaches the speed of sound. Careful, of course, not to exceed Mach 1.
CF-18 demo team thanks you for your enthusiasm and hope you have enjoyed the demonstration as much as we've enjoyed being here in Jones Beach for you today.
Oh, Bruce, it looks so good. It looks so good.
Thank you very much, Jones Beach. Rob, back to you, brother.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bruce Seaman. And also Captain Brian Hughes. 1 minute until we get to the Red Bull Air Force. We'll be back with more of the 2010 Bethpage Federal Credit Union Air Show right after this.